My amazing people, how una dey? My amazing people, it has been a while. It don take small since when I come live video last. It don take small, my people. How you all doing? How una dey? Where all those Esther fans where they cry inside my comment section? Oh yeah. It is a taboo to be inside fake accounts. They cry. Mona kon here na mona kon cry. Wa de ni anu wa do so wa rebe ni aya like bugbu wa we. How na dey my amazing people? Why you all doing? Una good evening. Saga just dey everywhere. Everywhere just dey hot. Everywhere they hot. Wetin they play? Mona kon give me update too. My amazing people, why they do this video? I say make I come ask una where Esther so 1 year. I say make I come ask una where the Esther so 1 year. Esther don't reach us. Abi she go hide. She don't go Bini. She go hide abi where she dey. Esther Rijei. Even if say maybe she dey Bini because she get things to go do. Oh my dear boy, never do anything. She never defend herself for adulterous case. Una good evening, my amazing people. Guys, it has really been a while, like, you know. I tell una say my network they give me issues, so I go apply, I go request for another one, another company. So they tell me say not Friday, yeah? Is it Friday? No. I think which day they will give me? Since last week though. Since last week. So they give me maybe not Friday, sha. They will come fix am. Hey. May the water continue. That is why I never see me come online, okay? That is why I see I they drop short video because if I say make I go outside because I get my own SIM card which is wind is strong well. So if I say make I use them for outside, my phone go over it and it go off. So and if I use them inside house, you know they strong. You understand? So the other Wi-Fi they use, I don't already dismantle that one. I don't disconnect and so I'm expecting new one this week. So that will feel they do live video steady as the odds. So my amazing people, I can't notice say some Esther Ashewo fans, I don't trust women like Esther. They come they cry for my inbox, not be small cry. They cry so say, and me, I really give the opportunity to cry. To let them know, say, I not say them, if they like they cry from now till the end of the world, say, me not go notice them because they're not deaf. Where Esther come outside, come talk, say, anytime where she take guest show, now she take the draw saga. She dey draw those saga to take promote her show. So if she don't promote her show finish, she go still enter her. So who can be the mumu presenter? Where she go come they use, say they dance skelewu for streets. Thanks for joining, Mama Okiro Edos. Thanks for joining. Good evening, Mama. My people, I dey ask una this question. Who can be Esther rag wey dey social media wey be say anytime Esther wan go tour, anytime she get show, she must won't look for presenters trouble. She must won't look for presenters trouble to take gain attention so that we can talk about her on social media. She will come use that engagement, that publicity, she'll use and go her show. The main parable say every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. I wish Esther see native daughter where he tell and say this show where you just dey come so. No try and here present her so. Thanks for joining Mama Mercy Gobadia. Thanks for joining Mommy Yo. Please guys, send me to thumbs up and share. Okay. I wish Esther see native daughter where he tell and say then what we bonina. De guyan guan. Just mind your business. Go do what you want. Go do. May you come back house. Maybe she for not come on media to the rants. Maybe she for not come to social media to come fool herself. She feel say she too big where they will use shit they rub. She see her life now. All the videos where they take press aenwe oni sanve ya. Inyaga press ya. All the videos all over the places. All the videos are all over the places. Okbe no ke commit adultery gestana. Now so I see one video where somebody sent call for me. She lie down. Another man lie down for her. Another man lie down for her body for grant. I was like, really? Really? Percy wife, oh, Percy wife. Even our tradition, as it comes strong, rich, if man dash you money for our side, you must talk, you must come house, come tell your husband, say, today when I dey waka, they go somewhere, somebody dash me money. Oh. But the way make they press Esther, they press her, they give her money, they press her, they give her money. What did that want me? It means say that they buy, they pay for what they press. They pay for what they press. Because of money, Esther not going to get shame. She can't dey shameless, she can't dey worthless, she can't dey wayward. Join. Thanks for joining, Osareti. Thanks for joining. Good evening. Una they get me. Esther can't dey wayward and useless. Waiting Esther they teach other women out there. Make we tell ourselves the truth. Waiting Esther they teach other women out there. Man, they press you. Or in the name of, they know even they spray. Even if you want spray, that's why they do stage. You as a married woman, your leg not supposed to come off for stage. Because your husband know they there with you to protect you. Even Bansa, even if they give you Bansa, Bansa see the press, Bansa see the press I went for dear. Bansa see the press I went for dear. She just come this Europe where she comes to come for herself. She thinks all those are they where she they do it, they work. The children where people even they look before tell they pity her. Any one who say. No, notice she not get anything again where she wanted to form sympathy. No more sympathy. Any affected the whole world, all those will not be children, but will not believe me. If a mother can raise a child like that, look the children before their mama say one, they'll say 15. Their mama not feel voted, they say shut up and get inside. Give me this one for where pikin where they not raise for abroad. Pikin where they not raise for even the ones where they are abroad. So if they're matter, they say, yeah, go to bed. Get like bed. Boys start children, they know the year word. Now so our sister be. Now so our sister be. Which kind of people be all this one? So I was trying to teach people with I was trying to use Esther's story to teach people, a lot of women are there. Okay? People saw me blogging those videos. They thought maybe I want drag Esther. No. I was using those videos to lecture other women. To make other tribe, Igbo, Yoruba, may they know. Say, no be so Benin women they do. No be so Benin women they do. This one be like say na money she put for herself head. Because I see no reason why a woman that called herself a married woman will not go to a party and people are not for licking press licking her. And she claims she they do show. She claims she they sing. Party where your husband no day, you can't even remove shirts. You will be dirty local musician. You will be a big guy musician, dirty local musician for that matter. You can't come on bra. You can't remove bra for where your husband no day. For where your husband no day, even the guests where they any sick go, all those one don't smoke it, but their eye don't enter inside. You can't come on bra. They show that your breast where don't see for bastard. And when you slap paralyze, you can't they show people. Then we can't see and say, this woman is going against our tradition. Because you be a Edo woman. If Igbo see you now, they'll say, Edo people, that's how they behave. How many Yoruba artists, Estekia, are they ask you now? How many Yoruba artists, since they always compare Yoruba yourself with Yoruba, that's why they also use Yoruba people make example for you. How many Yoruba artists where you see say their husband house where they'll go show make go they press them the way that they press you, Esther? Tell me, see this girl where they sing, what did they call them? Simi. Thanks for joining Precious Gold. See this girl Simi where they sing. How many times you don't see Simi Adekule Gold wife? How many times you don't see her go show people come they press her like that? The video one they follow do friend wey buna bestie. How many times even Shoma not be musician? How many times you don't see people they press Shoma like that? Esther, get shame for yourself. Esther, get shame for yourself. Adulterous case where you hold your neck, you never clear and true don't come join. Adulterous case where they your neck, I say you never clear and true don't join. This one not be say they come they talk say they go there. You must stop here there for pull my pants. Now what clear eye you come on shirt for stage may begin start to depress you. The videos are all over the places. I bet you not see them. Are you not ashamed of yourself? If woman go stage like this, go see people where teach you work. Mama Pama model, you go check all our videos where you don't ever see. Both the one where she do for YouTube, the one where she do on stage, the one where she do for party. Go and be find anyone where you see where they press on like that. Ashawo the word the says of you. Go help me find the one where you see where they press Mama Naomi like that. You see past them, you blow past them, you make money past them, but because you be ashawo. The only thing now where you tell they pass them now, that be the pressing button. The button where they press, you bought your own money button and your peku's button. Nene when even lovier button. Where they press you now. Now wait till you take past those women. For decency, you know near them. A shameless woman like you. Oh jovie nika. Oh jovie nenevi. Oh when oh ye zuo. That nonsense where you they do. Go see Shine Frances. That one also they sing. How many times you don't see people they press Shine Frances like that? Go see the other girl where come marry for UK now. What did they call her? Oh, what did be this actress name for UK? I like anytime they watch a movie, I they always cry. Wait, now she be Frances now. Abi? No, one are Shine, one are Frances. Yeah, that Frances. So go and see. How many times you don't see people they press her like that? Esther Kia. Nekbu no file. And they post videos, your fans they go there, go they cry. As if I care. You where you go sit down, person no go find you, person no go near you. You just wake up one morning say because of say you get too show. If it's short for you now, since when you take there, you know why nobody don't ever call you now, say, come play for me, come do show, yeah. May you tell no, say, Dio Europe, we don't need you. We don't need you. We not try and need you. Because anything where you see, now you go be, if you like, go swear all the juju, where they Nigeria finish. Yamu, thanks for joining. Yes, Marisi, Yamu also, that one still join. Esther, if you like, go swear all the juju where they be finish. We know the one until they do. If you swear finish, you'll go back. That is why we will do Europe. We know the respect juju. Especially we will be presenters. So we know the is a boy, is a boy. If you don't know one person, they look back, see they beat you. Because we were so there or TV webo. For you, Obama Sarah, Obama see where we're not the one who tear born in here webo. You are going to feel it. You are going to feel it. Shameless woman. Shame won't kill her. If they write congratulations, wait till they celebrate. Wait till you they celebrate. Useless woman. Presenters where they follow, don't they teach you. Say without, you know, if they beat you like this, you just do video, say congratulations. Hey, we are boozy. Look how useless you are. Now you want to join them. They live those fake life where we don't know pass. when we don't know pass. I don't born twins. Made them by saying they do congratulations. You are shameless. Now that one we ask you na busy. We tell you say they say you did not go sign on man say we how true is that? You don't identify and know. Party where you go for nene where you go. Waiting stop where they call they press you like that. You drink and be waiting apple. In your drug you are be go Morocco in your gas way. Waiting apple to you. You have no explain. Waiting carry you come meet presenters. Come begin they insult they drag presenters. You don't explain. No. Why we congratulations the congratulations bo wagon. Allah calling na me wo ko undan ozagowa. Go see her word. There was her word don't come back from Vietnam where she go. Go see her. Go see her. Those hair is more than billions of naira. Go see her. Luxury or nothing. As you do your witchcraft rich, may you take spoil that hair. May you make sure say people no buy. May you make sure say no viral. May you make sure say she not gain that trip where she go. Her market, God not shame you. Go see how many things people they buy since now. Go see what people don't buy since that yesterday come reach today. Go check what people don't buy. Then some man share like you, adulterous young girls old women like you. And some men will be shinto, they come they tell me say, please, my sister, Esther, you just leave her alone. People and so if you tell me say they not say man depress her. Some women, when me post video where they see say that they man no Esther, they say they not see where they man no, they say they not man no for them. Now, cause for this woman to feel look Esther that they press her like this, he said they no man no. Hey, let me say this one, your husband neighbor don't fuck Kataya. Your husband don't fuck Kataya. Who be this one? Let me read this comment. He say, Queen. He say, Queen, the last time I checked, Esther be never still measure your name before. Why all this hate? Because of what you heard from outside. No, it's not because of what I heard from outside. Now, many of una they come my inbox. Let me tell you that if I say many of una don't know where me and Esther for get issue. If I say some of una just feel say, oh, I eat belleful, I can't they drag Esther. No, I have a lot of things. Even as we speak, I get two pending topic. One I supposed to they talk about. One, people will go follow and say fight. It is very wrong. It is very wrong. And they say also, Frank need to lecture or teach his goddaughter. You for Europe, you go just ready from house, say you won't go fight person. That one is one of my topic. Now, investor with a friend, DJ waiting that they call him one DJ like that, they fight. You see, I'm supposed to be on that issue to make sure say there is peace. You understand? So I have a lot of topic to work on. But let me tell you why I have issue with Esther. Few years ago, like let me say 6 years ago, 6 to 5 years ago, I saw Esther on live video. She was crying bitterly. Yeah? I took my time to watch a video to understand what was going on with her. So I took my time to watch a video. I found out that some presenters, e.g. Monica, lied on Esther. Okay? Monica lied on Esther, though there were audio word from Esther mouth as evidence to back up whatsoever Monica said about Esther. Alright? So, me, based on the type of a woman that I am, I don't like seeing my fellow woman crying or shedding tears or, So I went close to Esther. I started following her page. I started, checking up on her, to know how she's faring and all those stuff. Then she's a musician. Everybody started playing her music. Not only me and a lot of people around me, my friends and family and so on and so forth. We started playing her music. We promoted Esther music for like, if I'm not mistaken, for like 4 good years. Yeah? We promoted Esther music for like 4 good years. There were a time, the two admin, Esther gave a page to control. Those people, we were not playing. Those people were my enemies, because anybody will see me as their enemy and still my enemy. So, these people started fighting my page, giving me strike because of Esther pictures, that the pictures I used to celebrate Esther. The pictures I used to wish her happy birthday. The pictures I used to, in short, anything she's doing, I'm always there to celebrate her, because I was like, you understand, I've already started following her, and I don't know, I'm addicted to her. Let me put it that way, okay? I was kind of addicted to Esther. So I started promoting her in different ways, playing her songs, her pictures, doing advert, free advert for Esther. Now, the time Esther went to give her page to some presenters that we are not in good terms, you need to come and see what these people started doing to my page with Esther pictures, Esther music, in short, everything that has to do with Esther. Esther went to put her music on distro kits, and that one self can increase the whole problem. A day, if I don't receive notification, I dey receive more than 10 notification for video when I don't do 3-4 years ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, yeah. Let me put it that way. I started getting notification. Facebook started notifying me to start sharing my earnings with Esther. Sharing the earnings was not even my problem, but my problem was, after sharing the earning, they will strike me. They will reject it. They will reject it and give me strike. You understand? They will reject that earning and give me strike, not knowing that the people Esther used to do admin were the ones that was doing those things. They did it not to only me, to a lot of live video presenters on this cyberspace. So after the whole thing explode, yeah, after the whole thing got exposed, everybody now understand that, oh, Esther was not the one controlling her page and all those stuff. So I came out peacefully to do a peaceful video for Esther, to let her understand that, Esther, my sister, you for tell us, say, no be you, they manage your page, oh. See what you don't make us pass through now. How you carry your admin this to go give presenter when you know say all of us we know they play. All the old presenter, none of us they play. We know they play. You know me say we hate ourselves. No, someone drop the dice. They anytime they see page where they grow, they feel intimidated and they want to bring it down. So why will you take our page to go and give presenter to be doing all this type of thing? Do you know that Esther saw that video? As I was even doing that video, Esther was watching. I did that video hoping that Esther will come out to say, oh, I'm sorry, oh. Oh, no verse, oh. You understand? Or it's okay, oh. Esther just lock up. Esther lock up. You understand? I almost lost my page. In short, 2 of my page are down. VIP Queen TV, VIP Queen Blog. Those ones are down already because of Esther music. Only this one survived. Then, Esther lock up. Esther do like say she know here. She do like say she know. Instead of her to even come out to say, oh, everybody on media, I'm sorry if something like this is going on. You understand? I copyrighted my music, but I did not tell anybody to be using my pictures or my music to flag your page. I'm so sorry. Esther just lock up. Esther come and come to say, my people, the reason why I put copyright on my page is because they thief my music. They thief my music. I was like, is she crazy? What she saying? How can, okay, just like as I did now, I'll go put copyright for Esther music for YouTube. How you go fit a work? Music where you sing by yourself, the videos are there. Even the day you post and they there, the day when I use and they there. Because if they want really no original, that is the owner of something. You understand? Sometimes Facebook also do it. If they want to know that you are the original owner of that content, they want to see the date that is the first person that posts that thing. The very first day they posted it on their app. That's where they will start from. Esther lock up. The next thing be called the saga presenter. Now, for Esther to come and say sorry, Esther told the story. Esther told the story. Can go accuse innocent woman. Wait, don't support Esther or for all her days on social media. Esther can't turn the story around. Can't go lie for that innocent woman. I say, now because of say that one, put copyright for her music. Now make she converse. She can't go copyright the whole song. I was like, how person will not be musician to go copyright your music for YouTube? How that kind of thing they work? I can't imagine say how they work. Because if that kind of thing they work, maybe we for not their Facebook again. Present herself for the copyright or our video, delete her by themselves, even chop the any if possible. You understand? So I can't find that say Esther is a very calm somebody. Esther is a liar from the pit of hell. I find out that she is not real. That's okay, no problem. Me, I not get problem. But only one thing I promise her, I tell her, say, you see this my mouth when I tell support you for years. Now I go see tell beat you for that years. And that's why I did try to make her fans understand, say, I never start. I never start. Because na copyright make her come cry when she dey lie for people head. Me web 2 of my page, none of her page go down, but my own 2 go down. My own page, 2 page go down. Because of Esther music. And you think I should just leave her alone? It's not possible. Okay, you see, we are even trying to heal from the past once where she don't feel grace, where she don't feel do, we just they try to let go. This woman, Mumuli come outside the gate to say, you know, say if you put something for grant, when you they say you they do saga, you go they say. I was like, is she okay? I was like, is she okay? So if you put something for grant, you call they do saga may for say. So this woman purposely they come outside, call they drag us for nothing, just to promote our music. That one or 2 of what Esther don't do. She reports they use our music to buy 2 of my page. 1. She says she they come they drag innocent people just to promote her tour. 2. She say Europe women not they dress. 3. Are you getting me? And she lied the day she came out to talk about that copyright. Esther lied to say now only one person they copyright her music. Now make she go put copyright for audio music. Say only that one person was screenwriter. Whereas na lie. Lolo was also involved. I wish Esther just talk on that first day say the 2 people that are involved, please, you people should not play my music again because it's not even because they play your music. They have promoted you for a very long time. What do you think? Now Esther can't lie. She lied for national TV. 2,000 people were watching her. She said now only one person put copyright for a video. If me, take my time, take my energy, my sweat to defend and fight and stood by Esther for years and promote her and wish her well for years. Why Esther not fit come outside, talk truth, even for once? What about if to say that issue now waiting that the buy person put to call? Esther get that mind to take pass out that kind judgment. And she thinks say she go get peace. Anything she did, except say it should just suffer as she just so where I know they see her for this media now. I don't know mumu congratulations where they do for that side. If I ever see waiting they celebrate, I will even bring the tea con. I will see come beat the joint. I will see come beat. I go beat her to infinity. Nothing where she go fit do me. If she even like me, she thought say no coming. If she know say she get you with me, may she go drop petition. May she go put petition. She be there they from Nigeria, they sue person for Europe. make she go put petition. Me, I not be a battle. No, say a bat, you go UK. Me, I not be a bat. You see this country where they so, I get the document, I get everything, and 2 leg I take stand here. That nonsense where they do with her bat, if she try her with me, I don't even need to make noise. I don't even need to talk about that one. You where you be trafficker, where everybody know the evidence are there. It go they play, go they show. I not go messing and saying that my dog sister or what. Me. So my people, for those Esther fellow adulterous women, I share one group of company. Women where they press inside party where they talk say queen, wait Esther do you? I hope I've explained to you guys. And I don't know what she do me now. Say, I found out that the mind where she get evil mind. Yes, she get evil mind. She be witch. Even if they tell me, say, people that like, some people go say, queen, you don't know, say, Esther better pass her word. Esther better pass her word. Her word not good. Her word is a pretender. Her word they pretend. Me, if you know me on this media, you know, say, there's a way I do my things. If person tell me, say, this person a witch, I will fair wait. May you do that witch for my eye. Even if not 10 years, I go they wait. Make you do that witch thing for my eye. Say you not do that witch thing for my eye, not if call you witch. That's why I told you guys that the years when I take support Esther, now I will take bitter. And say no shame and disgrace come out for our body. Because if I shame and disgrace, they trend, they go for media. Now me go sit down for the right hand side when I will take Boloa. Because this woman dropped my 2-page without no apology. She do like say she don't know me. The time where they support her. Even when easier to wait, all of them, they drag her, they lay shadow, whether they below her, they play audio for her head. I was defending her. Every day she they share my video. Every day she they share my video. Every day Esther no fit to say no me. Because I have a lot of screenshots where she don't share my videos. So she no fit definitely say, she don't know me. Now they get me. So that is it. I will drag her till I'm tired. You understand? So, guys, I will see you guys later.